So this is our PoE Wi-Fi bridge connected to an IP PoE camera. And today we're gonna show you how to set it all up. What we do is we take our PoE Wi-Fi bridge and we can plug it into any socket in your home. Now we can see the power button is green, which indicates that it's getting power. And this is the Wi-Fi press signal button that's flashing lights, which indicates that its Wi-Fi function is on. Then we connect with our Ethernet cable. This cable connects to our PoE IP camera. Now we need to power up our router. So we just plug it in. And this router will deliver Wi-Fi signal to our PoE Wi-Fi bridge. Our next step is now to pair the PoE Wi-Fi bridge to the router. And in order to do that, we have to press the Wi-Fi press signal button for 5 to 6 seconds. And now, as you can see, the green light is blinking. Now we press the WPS button for 2 seconds in order to establish the connection. And now we can see the green light is stable on our PoE Wi-Fi bridge, which indicates that the connection is running correctly. So now that the connection is established, we connected our router to the PC via Ethernet cable, which leads us to have a video recording of our IP PoE camera. In order to reset the connection, we need to press the WPS button. As you can see now, it's stable green, which indicates that the connection is good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Now wait a little bit, and now we can see the green is flashing light, which indicates that the connection is ended, and you can safely unplug the PoE Wi-Fi bridge